Have you ever heard of the element Americium? You might not recognize the name, but you've probably used it without even knowing. From smoke detectors to outer space exploration, this little-known element has a surprising story. Stay tuned, because today we're diving into 5 shocking facts about Americium you never knew. Fact 1. It's named after America. Let's start with the obvious. Americium is one of the few elements named after a continent, and yes, it's named after America. Discovered in 1944 during the Manhattan Project, scientists decided to name it in honor of the Americas, similar to how its periodic neighbor, europium, is named after Europe. Fact 2. It's man-made. Unlike gold or iron, Americium doesn't occur naturally on Earth. It's entirely man-made, produced by bombarding plutonium with neutrons in nuclear reactors. That makes it a synthetic element. You won't find it in the wild or in your backyard. Fact 3. Found in your smoke detector. Here's the shocking part. Americium is in your home. The isotope americium, 241, is used in many smoke detectors. Just a tiny amount, less than 0.3 micrograms, creates alpha particles that help detect smoke. Don't worry though, it's safely contained and completely harmless unless the detector is broken open. Fact 4. It glows in the dark. Yes, americium actually glows. When it decays, it releases radiation that can excite surrounding materials, causing a faint glow. This eerie luminescence is one reason it's been considered for use in space batteries, similar to plutonium, to power spacecraft in dark and distant missions. Fact 5. It's worth more than gold. Believe it or not, Americium is incredibly expensive. Because it's hard to produce and requires a nuclear reactor, the cost can reach over $1,500 per gram, making it more valuable than gold, platinum, or even some diamonds. Bonus fact, it could detect explosives. Scientists have explored using americium in portable neutron sources to detect explosives and illegal drugs. Its ability to emit neutrons makes it useful in security and defense, another high-tech use you probably never imagined. So the next time you look at your smoke detector, remember, there's a powerful, glowing, man-made element inside it that was once part of top-secret nuclear research. If you found these facts surprising, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more science surprises. Thanks for watching.